Is this all bacon?
As I bite into this, because the stupid ciabatta bread, that avocado is going to shoot out.
There it goes.
Most sandwiches are in need of some sort of textural difference, and I feel like the toast really helps with that.
That spicy glazed bacon, whatever that is excellent.
Love some cilantro. I knew it was something fragrant.
Well, sister, you did it all right. This is good.
I feel like it just adds some really good like toasty flavor when you toast it because it's toast.
The bacon on this is something special.
I taste some chipotle, some maple or brown sugar.
I got no tomato in this at all. I just got all bacon, all bread. It's my favorite thing.
So despite the fact that the ciabatta annoys me, the bacon really sells this one. It's really good.
I personally don't love ciabatta because unless it's really fresh, it gets hard. Wait, what is on this?
It looks like it has a really interesting, maybe spicy mayo on here.
So we're looking at what looks more like a Texas toast situation.
Whatever mayo is on this is really good.
All of it together is really good. The bacon itself is actually the weakest part of this BLT because it's just classic bacon.
I'm told this is toasted in mayo. Never had anything toasted in mayo.
This is hard.
I'm going with number one, I think, just purely based on how the bacon was cooked.
If I have to pick based literally on the bacon alone, because ciabatta bread, but based on the bacon alone, I gotta go with number one because that bacon is amazing.
Well, yeah, ciabatta bread. I mean, everyone knows that. I like number one.